Welcome to Galaxy Technocom. Garmin GPS Map 86. Product presentation. Cast off confidently with a premium marine handheld GPS. Stay on course with the GPS Map 86 handheld. It provides all the outdoor functions of the GPS Map registered trademark symbol 66 series and adds on the water features, including wireless connectivity to your onboard marine system. It's water resistant and it floats, so it's as at home on the water as you. See all your marine system info at a glance with boat data streaming. Put convenient control of your autopilot and Fusion registered trademark symbol systems at your fingertips. Add BlueChart registered trademark symbol G3 coastal charts for enhanced fishing and navigation. Get smart notifications so you can stow your phone. Stay out longer with up to 40 hours of battery life in standard mode. Boat data. Sync with compatible Garmin chart plotters and instruments to see real-time boat data displayed right on your handheld. Fusion Link Audio. Get convenient remote operation of select onboard Fusion marine products. Accurate tracking. When you're underway, an adjustable GPS filter smooths speed and heading indications as you pass over swells for more accurate tracking. Worldwide base map. See worldwide shaded relief coverage, including oceans, seas, major lakes and rivers. And see international and state political boundaries and time zone information. BlueChart coverage. Add optional BlueChart G3 coastal charts give you leading-edge coverage, clarity and detail with integrated Garmin and Navionics data. Autopilot remote. Even when you're not at the helm, you can control your boat. Access the Autopilot app to change heading, engage pattern steering and follow a GPS route. Backup navigation. Whether you're out for a day of fishing, sailing or cruising, gain peace of mind that comes from having a backup navigator. ABC sensors. Navigate anywhere with ABC sensors, including an altimeter for elevation data, barometer to monitor weather and 3-axis electronic compass. Smart notifications. Get smart notifications right on your GPS Map 86 handheld when you pair it with your compatible smartphone. Garmin Explore trademark symbol app. Sync GPS Map 86 with Garmin Explore for cloud management of your favorite waypoints, tracks and routes. Wireless connections. GPS Map 86 offers Wi-Fi registered trademark symbol connectivity and Plus registered trademark symbol technology and Bluetooth registered trademark symbol wireless technology for easy wireless updates and connections. LED flashlight. The GPS Map 86 helps you keep gear to a minimum with a built-in LED flashlight that can be used as a beacon to signal for help. Battery life. The internal, rechargeable lithium battery provides up to 40 hours of battery life in standard mode and up to 200 hours in expedition mode 1. Specification of Garmin GPS Map 86S. Lens material. Chemically strengthened glass. Dimension to 0.65 into 7 into 1.7. Weight 9.59 ounce or 272 grams. Waterproof IPX7. Mil standard 810 yes, thermal, shock, water. Display type transflective, 65K color TFT. Display size 1.5, width and 2.5, height. Display resolution to 40 into 400 pixels. Battery type rechargeable, internal lithium-ion. Battery life. Up to 35 hours at 10-minute tracking, up to 200 hours at 30-minute tracking, power save mode. Memory history 16 GB. User space varies based on included mapping. Interface high-speed micro-USB and NMEA 0183 compatible. Maps and memory. Ability to add maps, yes. Base map, yes. Map segments 15,000. Satellite imagery yes, direct to device. Includes searchable points of interests, parks, campgrounds, scenic lookouts and picnic sites, yes, downloadable from Garmin Express trademark symbol. Displays national, state and local parks, forests and wilderness areas yes, downloadable from Garmin Express trademark symbol. External memory storage yes, 32 GB max microSD trademark symbol card, not included. Waypoints favorites locations 10,000. Tracks 250. Navigation track log 20,000 points, 250 saved GPX tracks, 300 saved fit activities. Navigation routes to 50, 250 points per route, 50 points auto routing. Renex logging yes. Sensors: GPS, GLONASS, Galileo, barometric altimeter, compass yes, tilt compensated 3-axis, high sensitivity receiver, GPS compass while moving, daily smart features, Connect IQ trademark symbol, downloadable watch faces, data fields, widgets and apps. Smart notifications on handheld. Weather, active weather, verb register trademark symbol remote. Pairs with Garmin Connect trademark symbol mobile. Safety and tracking features. Live track. Tactical features. XERO trademark symbol locations. Outdoor recreation. Point-to-point navigation. Area calculation. Hunt fish calendar. Sun and moon information. Geocaking friendly yes, Geocake Live. Custom maps compatible yes, 500 custom map tiles. Picture viewer. LED beacon flashlight. InReach registered trademark symbol features. InReach remote compatible. Outdoor applications. Compatible with Garmin Explore trademark symbol app. Garmin Explore website compatible. Connections. Connections wireless connectivity. Yes Wi-Fi, Bluetooth, antenna. Thank you for watching this video. Please contact for us for Garmin products purchase. Galaxy Technocom, Hyderabad. Mobile number 9849705100. Email info@galaxytechnocom.in. www.galaxytechnocom.in